magnetic permeability. But today class is like discussion class, so it's not a problem. Magnetic permeability कुछ mu naught से denote किया था. So there is a formula for force acting between two parallel wires. Force acting per unit length is mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 by R. R is the distance, I1 I2 is current. So यहाँ से हम mu naught की dimension calculate कर सकते हैं. Just a second. Please calculate the dimension of mu naught. Right. So force per unit length on the wire, two parallel wires, is given by this formula. ये फॉर्मूले रटने मत लग जाना, रटने की जरूरत अभी नहीं है. Just for the sake of knowing, mu naught क्या हो जाएगा फिर? F into R. 2 pi तो obviously dimensionless है. It will be force into distance divided by L into I1 I2. Force की dimension MLT minus 2. R is the distance, which is L. Length is L, and it is ampere, so it will be A. Right, this is magnetic permeability, the last one. Fourth शायद हमने कर लिया होगा, fourth, fifth कर लिया था हमने, sixth. Yes, seventh will be one of these. I think it is of resistivity only when you calculate. Resistivity का dimension calculate करने के लिए it is R is equal to rho L by A. Fine. Next बताइए और कोई doubt? Till question number 10, any doubt? Till question number 10, any doubt? Till question number 10, any doubt to anybody? हाँ, ये जो question number 10 है, ये देख लेते हैं. 10 में क्या है? Again, one of the fundamental quantity has changed. It is asking calculate the dimension of magnetic field in terms of M, L, T, and C. C is not the fundamental quantity. The fundamental quantity is I. हमने कहीं magnetic field calculate किया था शायद? नहीं. Okay. The magnetic field.
सर एक बारी 6, 7, 8 वाला एक बारी पॉइंट दिखाना सर वापस से. सर आई गेस मैंने कुछ मिस कर दिया था. सर मैंने सब कुछ ऑलरेडी नोट किया था, सॉरी सर.
हाँ बेटा, कुछ क्या लेते हैं तुम अगेन?
मैंने नोट किया होता, सॉरी सर, मेरे को लगा मैंने कुछ मिस कर दिया.
ओके. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के लिए हम फॉर्मूला ले लेते हैं. मैग्नेटिक फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन अ वायर. अगर किसी वायर को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखते हैं, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को कुछ ऐसे क्रॉस या डॉट से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. मैग्नेटिक फोर्स ऑन अ वायर. दिस इज फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Magnetic force on wire F is equal to B into I into L. B is magnetic field, I is current, L is the length. यहाँ से B आ जाएगा F upon I into L. So वैसे तो डायमेंशन जो हम फंडामेंटल फिल्ड के टर्म्स में निकालेंगे, force is MLT minus 2, current is A and length is L. C बन जाएगा M, L gone. And MT minus 2 and A. A minus 1 मतलब. और जो कूलॉम होता है, here the charge is taken as one of the fundamental dimension. So coulomb will be A into T. So इस पूरे में से हम A और T को अलग कर लेते हैं. A minus 1 T minus 1 को अलग कर लो तो बचेगा T minus 1. MT minus 1 into AT to the power minus 1. And A into T is C. C is coulomb basically. So MT minus 1, C minus 1, that is C option. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हमने कुछ किए भी थे एप्लीकेशन में, यूनिट्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायमेंशन. वी कैन चेंज द फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज इटसेल्फ, mass, length, time, temperature. We can assume some new quantities, right?
Can we leave it at MT minus 2A minus 1?
No, that would have, but that's not in the option. Huh? You can check question number 10.
Yes.
Not in the dimension. So you have to choose from the options given. Here the quantity is changed. It's not current. It is in terms of charge. Question number 11. 11 doubt. 11 में doubt किसी को? Answer for 11 is C. Moment of inertia and moment of force. Moment of inertia is I is equal to mr square and moment of force होता है torque. Question number 12. Which one of the following represent the correct dimension of coefficient viscosity? We done this. 13. We done this. Answer for 12 is C. 13 is C. 14th is B. Okay. 15th is.
14th is
Yeah, I'll write it. Don't worry. 12th answer is 12th answer is C. 13th answer is C. 14th answer is B. 15th answer is A. These DPP answer will be told in this class only once you have attempted. 17th answer is D. Any doubt you can ask, any particular question you couldn't understand how to solve. Like the
सर
question
17th में डाइपोल मोमेंट एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स क्या है?
को डाइपोल मोमेंट होता है किसी भी पोलर मॉलिक्यूल की स्ट्रेंथ बताने के लिए. लाइक HF, HCl ये पोलर मॉलिक्यूल है, एक पे पार्शियल पॉजिटिव पे पार्शियल नेगेटिव. सो डाइपोल मोमेंट इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ चार्ज एंड डिस्टेंस. दैट्स कॉल्ड डाइपोल मोमेंट. और इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स होता है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इनटू एरिया. The number of electric field line passing through an area, this is electric flux. Electric field is force per unit charge. Question number 18, Rishit. 18 is again saying that you have to find a dimension in MKSQ system. So again, it is asking to calculate in terms of charge, not in terms of current. Right? right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you please explain this question?
Number 18.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure. I was just explaining the word MKSQ means meter, kilogram, second, and then charge. It's not the current ampere. Here X is equal to 3YZ square. X and Z have dimension of capacitance and magnetic induction. Magnetic induction is magnetic field. What is the dimension of Y? X is capacitance, Z is magnetic field. कैपेसिटेंस हमने पीछे कैलकुलेट किया कहीं पे शायद here किया नहीं कर सकते हैं can find out from here capacitance, right?
Yes, sir.
Magnetic field, and then you have to substitute back, but it will be in terms of A into T, and again the charge is product of current into time, so हम A into T को Q से replace करते हैं. So that is lengthy calculation, we'll do it.
Okay, sir.
19 we did, it is a formula for energy density. 19th answer should be, sorry, 18th answer should be B and 19th answer is C. Question number 20. Quantity X is given as epsilon naught L delta V by delta T, where permittivity of X is epsilon naught L delta V by delta T. Epsilon naught is permittivity, that dimension we have calculated. L is the length, delta V is potential difference, and T is time. You have to find the dimension of X and then check for which quantity it is matching. So it is a little tedious work. I mean, not much of brain has to be used. The standard process, you just find the dimension one by one and substitute here. Then you have to find the dimension of X and compare with what it is matching. According to the answer, it is correct, D. So see, I don't want to present the solution of all the questions you are supposed to solve. This class is kind of your moral support. So if you stuck at some of the point, you should not hesitate. You should bring that for this particular class. I mean, that is the idea of this third class. Because I will not give each and every question solution, but yes, I will give you the answer. I will give you the method. 21 शायद हमने class में कर लिया था, I guess. 21 we did in class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was the answer? A. A. If you haven't attempted this DPP, attempt it again after the discussion. See, physics कितनी बार पढ़ोगे उससे नहीं strong होती है. How many times you learn? It's not bio, it's not chemistry. It's अभी तो ये मतलब real physics है ही नहीं, ये तो बस ऐसी kind of trailer है. MLT minus 1 of the dimension of 22 answer is 22 answer is those
Sir,
into the multiple
momentum and impulse.
momentum and impulse. Very nice. 23rd. Epsilon, sorry, E naught represent gravitational field. So gravitational field अभी हमने पढ़ लिया. This is force acting per unit mass, and capital G is that gravitational constant. Capital G is gravitational constant. So you have to find their dimension, substitute here. (24). 23 answer will come out all A, B, C, D. all will have the same dimension. 24 24 में वो homogeneity का mathematical function वाला rule लगेगा. F is equal to f naught e to the power minus t by lambda. Dimension of f naught is same as force, correct? E to the power something is mathematical function, so A is the answer. E raised to power minus t by lambda is dimensionless, correct? Dimension of lambda has to be same as time because power has to be dimensionless. Or f naught ka dimension, so D is wrong. A, B and C is correct. D is not the dimension of force. Right? U, M, L, and G denote energy, mass, angular momentum, and rotational configuration and dimension of. Okay. So it is again a lengthy work. You have to just substitute here and match which of the dimension it is, matching with. किसी ने किया 25? What's the answer?
So it was coming dimensionless.
It
So
is
strain, solid angle.
strain, solid angle, and in fact, dielectric constant is also the dielectric constant is the ratio of permittivity of medium to permittivity of space. That epsilon naught. This is the definition of dielectric constant. So when it is the ratio of two similar quantity, it is always going to be dimensionless. 26 we did in class probably. ABC. 27. Y is equal to a cube sine inverse x by b minus 1. It's again a mathematical function. So 27a is correct. Dimension of a is yeah, because y is in meters, so y's dimension should be equal to L cube. So a dimension should be L to the power 1 by 3. A is correct. B is correct. Angle hai ye, sine inverse is angle. So it will be in radian only. Dimension of x is same. C is also correct because they are divided. And it is inside the sine inverse, so it has to be a number. It has to be dimensionless quantity. Unit of A is meter. No, unit of A is meter to the power 1 by 3. $28. In the dimensional formula of mass, the respect, okay. As chemical formula expresses component chemistry, similar dimensional formula expresses dimensions in its physics. Okay, very nice. Okay, base quantities are symbolized and dimensions can be written as their powers. Then the expression obtained is called dimension formula. Fine. Dimension of force is 1, 2, gravitation, speed of light. Okay, now the base unit have been changed. Speed of light, gravitational constant, capital G, and Planck's constant. Question number 28. Speed of light, gravitation constant, and Planck constant. These are taken as a fundamental. Now in this we have to find the respective dimension of mass. So if we assume mass is c to the power a, g to the power b, and Planck constant to the power c. अभी हमने इन तीनों के डायमेंशन कैलकुलेट कर लिए हैं, so you can just quickly solve, find the value of a, b and c. लेफ्ट में तो ये m1, l0 और t0 ही होगा. c is the speed, so it will be lt minus 1 to the power a. Gravitation constant, I think we calculated, it came out to be m minus 1 l3 t minus 2. Or Planck constant is okay. Planck constant was E is equal to h times nu. H is E by nu. Dimension of Planck constant is dimension of energy ml2 t minus 2 divided by t minus 1. So that becomes ml square t minus 1. ml square t minus 1 to the power c. Okay, make the equation, make the power and compare, find the formula for the mass, and similarly second is momentum. Solve it, just coming. Yes, done. What is the value of A, B, and C? Which option is the answer?
Sir, A part.
A part.
A is the answer, yes. A is half, B is minus half, and C is half, right. A is the correct answer. Okay, 29 is B. I think it's clear to everyone. M की powers बना लेंगे, then we compare the powers on both the sides. 29 is B. 28 answer is A. 29 similarly will be momentum. अब अपने मास का कैलकुलेट कर लिया, मोमेंटम के लिए जस्ट नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई विद वेलोसिटी. सो उसके लिए आपको दोबारा करने की जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इट विद डायमेंशन ऑफ m इनटू डायमेंशन ऑफ वेलोसिटी. C से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, देन वी गेट द डायमेंशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. One integral value correct type, number 30, force velocity time are taken fundamental, find the dimension of force in the dimensional formula of pressure. Okay, what it wants to say, you have to find the dimension formula of pressure, the dimension of force in the dimensional formula of pressure. Okay. इस क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज में शायद कंफ्यूजन है, बट what it is trying to say is, हमने एक तो फोर्स लेना है mlt-2, ये फोर्स की डायमेंशन है. अब इसमें हम इधर मास ही रखते हैं, इसको अलग, इसको बना देते हैं lt-1 and t-1. This become velocity. Mass into velocity into t-1 is equal to dimension of force. So यहाँ से भी हमें एक फोर्स का डायमेंशन मिल गया, सॉरी मास का डायमेंशन मिल गया in terms of force, velocity into time. This was the second method. हम इस तरह से भी Fv minus 1 into T, this is the dimension of mass. Now, dimension of pressure में हमें pressure is force upon area. So dimension of pressure is ml minus 1 T minus 2. Now we'll replace m as Fv minus 1 into T और इसको हम L minus 1 T minus 1 अलग कर लेंगे and T minus 1. Right, so that become Fv minus 1 into T. This also become V minus 1 into T minus 1. Fv minus 2 and T0. ये आ गया dimension of pressure in terms of force, velocity and time. कुछ और बड़ा शायद क्या बड़े mass was
सर आपने एरिया से डिवाइड नहीं किया, मतलब लेंथ स्क्वायर।
L स्क्वायर से डिवाइड नहीं किया, राइट। L minus 2 और आ जाएगा, L minus 2 और आएगा तो minus 3। नहीं मैंने डिवाइड करने के बाद ही माइनस 1 लिखा था ना। MLT minus 2 डिवाइड बाय L स्क्वायर। फोर्स तो MLT minus 2 होता है।
Yes.
M is Fv minus 1 into T, L minus 1 T minus 1, ये बन गया V minus 1। ठीक है, तो फोर्स की डायमेंशन 1 होगी बेसिकली। इसमें फोर्स की डायमेंशन है 1, वेलोसिटी की -2 और टाइम की 0। So to determine the dimension quantity V is equal to E to the power n. Okay, electric charge निकाल लिया हमने, permittivity of vacuum निकाल लिया हमने। Question number 31. So we know these dimensions H and C. We can substitute 32. If the acceleration due to gravity, speed
सर
of light.
31st में n कैसे निकलेगा, समझ नहीं आया।
This all is a dimensionless quantity, na? So you write the dimension of charge, which is A into T. नीचे epsilon naught का dimension, H का dimension into C का dimension in terms of n, and then we put equal to 0. Okay, कर लेते हैं। Understood? This should be equal to M0, L0 and T0 because it is a dimensionless number. So E is A into T to the power n. Epsilon naught पीछे निकाला था हमने m minus 1 L minus 3 T4 A square. H is MLT2 minus 1 and LT minus 1. This is M0, L0 and T0. I think M तो cancel out ही हो गया, L square L cube cancel out, ये T4, so नीचे क्या आएगा A square T square, which means N should be equal to 2, only then it will cancel out. 32, again we will assume the dimension and then we'll write the formula on both the side. 33. If two quantities are same dimension, they must represent same physical quantity. Is it necessary? Two quantities having same dimension, they should have same quantity? Not at all. Different quantities may have same dimension. So it's false. Work and torque have same dimension? Correct. One is, answer is 4. The combination of three-dimensionally different physical quantities A, B, C, A minus B by C, such combination can never be meaningful. Correct, because if A and B have different dimension, 33 answer is D. A and B have different dimension, they can never be subtracted. So A minus B by C is dimension is a meaningful quantity. Two or more physical quantities are added or subtracted when their units and dimensions are same. Correct. Again, one is false, two is correct. Right. 35. 34 answer is? Okay, A is correct, B is also correct. So that is the correct explanation. 34 is A. on D. Hmm. 36, sorry, 35. Matching the column, So, okay, I'm giving the answer. I think you can try again because it is a repetitive stuff. Inductance के लिए हमने last class में कुछ किया था. Energy stored in inductor is half Li square. यहाँ से L निकालेंगे. L is inductor. Resistivity calculate कर लिया. Specific activity. Specific activity का मतलब वो ये बताता हूँ मैं. एक्टिविटी किसकी होती है? सैंपल, रेडियो एक्टिव सैंपल की. दिस इज डिके पर सेकेंड, नंबर पर यूनिट टाइम. दिस इज कॉल्ड नंबर ऑफ डिके पर यूनिट मास. स्पेसिफिक में हमेशा पर यूनिट मास ऑर्डर हो जाता है. अगर एक्टिविटी बोलेंगे तो जस्ट नंबर ऑफ डिके पर सेकेंड. सो ये पर यूनिट मास, मास का m हो जाएगा. नंबर का कोई डायमेंशन नहीं होता, टाइम के लिए t. सो इट बिकम m minus 1 t minus 1. दिस इज 35. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 का थर्ड पार्ट. बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट हमने कल लास्ट क्लास में भी किया था. बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट के लिए एनर्जी ऑफ एनी गैस मॉलिक्यूल इज 3/2 kb into t. Energy of any gas molecule because of its temperature, it has a thermal energy of 3/2 kBt. 35 answer should be B. 36, okay. Dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment. ये छोड़ सकते हो, ये छोड़ सकते हो because okay, leave it. Electric flux, magnetic flux, universal gas constant, they all have different unit. And you can leave 35, 36, sorry. 37 answer is C. तो छोड़ना इसलिए इसमें बहुत सारी क्वांटिटीज हैं जिनके अभी मतलब समझ में नहीं आएगा. 37 is C because it was energy based only, half Li square, and these three you can leave. You can leave because they have most of the quantities from the 12th syllabus. I mean बीच में भी थी but हमने calculate किए. This was the first DPP that we did. Second DPP of the dimension I'm sharing in the group. Yes, any other doubt you can ask. I'm just sharing in the group. Just give me a second. Yes. ठीक है. So हमने डायमेंशन पार्ट काइंड ऑफ फिनिश कर लिया था. अगर आपने एसएल अरोड़ा से किया है उसमें कुछ डाउट है तो वो भी आप सेंड कर सकते हो मुझे. सेंड इट टू माय व्हाट्सएप. ओके, वेरी नाइस. Okay, so I think by mistake it both has written DPP number 3, but that you just ignore. I'm sharing all of these DPPs related to the dimension. Yes, if you have access to your group in the WhatsApp, I will be taking class questions from that. They have just shared few DPPs, but I think by mistake they all are named as DPP 3 or something. So I'll show on the screen which one I'm going to solve now. Okay, you received those DPPs?
Yes, sir.
उसमें this is the all dimension questions. All dimensions means because we finished with dimension in your batch, so there are some more unit and unit conversion also. Yeah, right. So we will, if you remember those unit conversion and finding the new formula expression for a new quantity. Okay, mile per hour को meter per second में that's different thing. Do this question number fourth, question number second, fourth, and fifth quickly. How to convert? If you forgot, I will give you the cap. We had a formula. We had the formula n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. Then n2 is equal to n1 u1 by u2. So pressure is 5 into 10 raised to power 5. This question. याद है तो कब करिए, quickly solve this. Question number 2, question number 4, question number 5 we have to do now. This is based on that application in which it is used to convert the unit from one to another. Question number 2, 4, and 5 in today's class. Just a second. First question was this: you need to change the pressure of gas from Pascal is the SI unit system MKS to convert into CGS dyne per centimeter. Anurag,
Yes, sir.
समझ आ रहा है ना बेटा?
Oh, sir.
Okay, solve these two questions first, then I'll add the third one. Okay, the pressure of gas. So the method was N2 is equal to N1 U1 by U2, और इसको हम कुछ ऐसा लिख लेते थे N2 is equal to N1. The mass unit in first system divided by second system to the power A. Dimension of length is B. Dimension of time is T. अगर कोई और unit है, maybe current or temperature is also there, then that will also be included like that. So N2 हमें calculate करना है. N1 is 5 into 10 raised to power 5, and we are talking about pressure here. Pressure dimension is force upon area, so that is ml minus 1, T minus 2. Standard system is MKS system, so that will be kg, and you have to convert it into CGS system. 1 kg to 1
Is
gram.
it B part?
Which option?
B.
B, right. B is the answer. 1 meter, 1 centimeter to the power minus 1, 1 second, and 1 second to the power minus 2. Yeah, answer is coming out to be B, 5 into 10 to the power 6, divided into centimeter square. Anyone facing challenge, please ask. I will explain. I will solve again. I don't have any problem, but you have to speak up. 5 into 10 to the power 5. ये ऊपर kg है, power 3. This is meter, so 10 square to the power minus 2. Second gone. So 5 into 10 to the power 6. Question number 4. Now a new system of unit is designed in which length unit is 5, mass unit is 100, time unit is 0.1 second. How many Newton will be the unit of force contained? So basically, now this is initial unit is this new, and we have to convert this into newtons. So U2 is MKS, and the U1 is this hypothetical CG system, unknown hypothetical unit system. N2 is N1 because it is force, M to the power 1, L to the power 1, and time to the power minus 2. MLT minus 2, that's dimension for force. The quantity that is involved, we have to first find the dimension of that. N1 हमें 1 given है. M1 is the initial system unit of mass, that is 100 gram. In the standard MKS system is kg. Length unit is 5 centimeter, in standard is meter, and time is 0.01 second to 1 second to the power minus 2, and this is equal to N2. Solve it. Question number 4. Yes,
Sir, B part.
B part is the answer. Yes, fourth answer is B. Correct. अनायरा हो रहा है क्वेश्चन ये? Anara, should I solve?
No, sir. I don't need it.
Acha, very good. Next question is the surface tension of water is 72 10 to the power minus 3. Find the value of surface tension. Okay, I have shared 3-4 DPPs.
Sir, could you explain question 4 again?
Question number 4 again. Okay, this is the force given in this new hypothetical unit system, and you have to find this, convert this into Newton. So this is N1, this is U1, you have to find N2, U2 is MKS system.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Thank you. I was doing it the other way.
Okay, no problem.
So for the fifth part, is B the correct answer?
For the
Fifth question is yeah, B part.
B part is the answer. Very nice. Okay, good enough.
questions based on the FPS system won't come, right?
Excuse me. Yeah, they don't come. They don't come. No, rarely, but in the Russian books, in the European writers book, you will find question in that LBS, feet per centimeter per inch square, like that. Okay, so I think I have shared the DPPs. You finish those in homework. Finish
So
as
can
in
you send
try
them again? Bilani group.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday group.
सर आपने मैथ्स वाले ग्रुप पे भेज दिया था इसलिए शायद
अच्छा मैंने मैथ्स वाले भेज दिया. Oh, sorry. Yeah, by mistake I sent it in the right. Okay, so I'm sharing the errors also that we will do next class. These DPPs are also uploaded in the app, the 100 Plus Academy app. The okay. Yes, now I've shared in the MWR physics group. Right, so there are all the dimensions one you are supposed to solve. And some previous year questions are also there by the name of DPP3 that you may choose to skip initially. But yes, the worksheet one, these you can solve. You have to solve. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. And before the next, next Friday, before the class, send all of your doubts in the group or to me so that I will also get to know that you have solved. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.